How to change email notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So welcome to another video of Tech. So to change email notification, first you need to open app drawer. So swipe up and open app drawer. Now long press on your Gmail application. Long press. And now tap on this app info icon. This is small app info icon. Tap on it. And from here tap on notifications. And make sure this show notifications is enabled. If this is disabled, then enable it. Now tap on this miscellaneous and make sure this miscellaneous is enabled. Tap on it, tap on miscellaneous and scroll down. Now tap on sound. So here are too many sounds for notification. You can select any sound you want. So in this way you can change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSource.